Kedsum sent me this roller cart and asked me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. This is great for holding large plywood, tables, anything that has a lot of length to it and width. It's hard and awkward to handle. 4-foot by 8-foot sheets of plywood would fit perfectly on this. It's made out of solid steel construction all the way throughout. The wheels are 5 inches in diameter, so they're easy to go over bumps. You've got a dedicated ergonomic handle here to be able to push and move the cart with force, because you can put your hands widely apart and push on it. It's extremely well balanced. The angle here that they provide, it's built in and solidly attached there, will ensure that everything that you stack on here doesn't fall over. And then down at the bottom here, you've got ribbed sections on this bottom frame and here as well to hold on to whatever you're stacking so it doesn't slide out. As well, there's some guards here. These are metal and you can adjust them and that'll hold that forward leading edge. I've got a bunch of tables in my garage that I need to move out. I'm going to slide them onto the cart, show you how easy it is to roll. It works great for storage, for moving, taking care of any large items like this. When you get it located where you need to be, you've got brakes on the wheels that'll lock it in place. Then you can just flick these up to take the brake off. Both sides have brakes. I'm going to be using this to store plywood. And despite the size of these big pieces of plywood, it just makes it so easy to manipulate and move it. This is 3/4 inch plywood. It's really heavy. I could barely load it myself. But now with it on the roller cart and the handle here, I can manipulate it and move it around this warehouse without any problem at all. So I hope that was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this plywood rolling cart from Kedsum. Hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.